G'day guys, today's video, going to make a start on this front cabinet. I've got the fridge in the shed. So yeah, first of all, got to clean this crap up here behind me. Alright, let's get on. Right guys, now that's all done, going to get started on the back here. So first job for the day is going to fit this door. Quite easy, hopefully. Ready, that's all done. So these will open and close a lot better. I've got to pull this flooring up and redo it. So there's like two different layers of vinyl floor. So once that's up, these cupboards will open and close a bit better. And I'm going to have to pull this base off and just trim that much off the end of it. So the camera didn't work, it was too hot out in the sun apparently. Must have a better union than what I have. So I wasn't able to film myself cutting up this piece of wood. Such a shame. Right, now the fun bit. Because I didn't think about it, I've got to try and fit this piece of wood back on the sliders the hard way. Because that's what I do. This is why it's taken so freaking long to build. Done. Right, now the fun bit begins. I'm going to start this cabinet here at the front. So this is just a quick job, this little cabinet that I've just done. So just got to seal off this top bit. Yeah, not sure I can do that. Probably a bit of Sikaflex and some wood. So this little hole here is a bit where the gas is going to go. So down in here, the gas holder there. I'm hoping that what I do with the silicone and the wood is going to be good enough. I'm just going to run a bead of silicone or a sealant around there, wood on the top, bolt it down. So here we go, this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to run a bead all the way around like so, and then drop this piece of wood straight on top, screw it down. Hopefully it'll be good enough. If not, old mate at the shop can fix it. For a bit of a smoko break before we get on with the rest of this. Oh, that's fizzy and cold on the teeth. How's it going? Back to it. Right, that there is roughly the size of the bench. So this is just going to be my bottom drawer. Obviously I'm going to build it up a bit. finally done. Cooked with a false bottom, soft closed drawer hinges. I'm just going to have to put it in the bus. So guys, here it is, the drawer. Beautiful. Needs a nice faceplate to go on the front now, and it's all done. Just got to bolt it down. I'm going to put the fridge, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's going to take up maybe, you know, like that. And then from there on the other side, I'm going to have another drawer that pulls out the top, a whole section that pulls out, and I have drawers that'll slide out to go with it. So yeah, that's for another day.